Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding mix. First, gather your ingredients: a box of pudding mix, milk, and a whisk. You'll need to decide if you're making instant pudding or a cook-and-serve variety, as the preparation methods differ slightly. For instant pudding, ensure your milk is very cold. If you're cooking it, you'll heat the milk on the stovetop. It's a simple process once you know the type. For instant pudding, it's incredibly easy. Simply pour the contents of the pudding mix packet into a medium bowl. Then, add 2 cups of very cold milk. Using a whisk, beat the mixture vigorously for 2 minutes. You'll notice it starts to thicken quite quickly. Once it's well combined and thick, transfer it to serving dishes and chill for at least 5 minutes before enjoying. It's a perfect quick dessert. If you prefer cook-and-serve pudding, the process involves a little heat. In a medium saucepan, whisk the pudding mix into 2 cups of milk until smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir constantly. Continue stirring until the mixture comes to a full boil. Once boiling, continue to stir for 1 minute. Then, remove it from the heat and let it cool before serving. This method often yields a richer texture. Now for some tips to enhance your pudding experience. Feel free to experiment with different types of milk, like almond or oat milk, for unique flavors and textures. You can also get creative with toppings, adding fresh fruit, a dollop of whipped cream, or some colorful sprinkles. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pudding. It's a versatile treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.